This maze feels alive, like it is watching us.
Stay close. These tiles might shift any moment.
Lost already? Let me make this more interesting.
Ezra, stop messing with the maze!
These symbols, they must be clues.
I'll guide you. Trust me.
No! This can't be happening!
You played too many tricks, Ezra.
We did it, Nori! The maze is shutting down!
Teamwork always wins, Kai.
You were amazing back there, Nori.
Thanks for joining us. See you next time.
Bye for now. Stay clever.